Okay.
Okay, nothing left to do but make a shoe. This is a video on how to make Crocs with clothesline and Plastidip. Then this is the results. It's not that hard. You just have to measure around your foot. That'll be the bottom. Go around, I show how to do that, and then you measure. You make this, put the side on, and we show that. Then you just do the top in the same way, and it's all just stitched down on this by zigzag stitch on a regular machine. Then you just paint Plastidip on it. 1-2 layers. This is just one, and it's super durable and flexible and washable. And you can just add strip piece of rope here, and you knot it. You can make yourself a strap that swivels. It's a pretty fun project and something you can wear. Okay, so we have our fabric here, and we're gonna follow our tracing of our foot from the outside in, and you're gonna approximate how much you need to go around with 2 strands at first so you can catch them both, and then as you keep going you'll fill in the inside, adding on until it's all completely filled from outside in. And sometimes you have to, it's okay to just cut it and put one piece in and just fill it in however you need to, really, and should be good. And that's the results here. Then you cut the fabric off after the excess. So then we come into the same another part where we're making the side, and you approximate how much you need to go around and fold the rope in half, and start with 2 strands. And then this is the side wall, and we're going around and stitching the side wall and keeping it up too, and that's zigzagged on as well. So also now we're making a template for the vamp, which is the top part of the croc, and just using some blue tape and crudely approximate, and then you tape it down and on a piece of paper or something and cut it out, and that's your template. That mark and flip. Flip is important because the inside is not the same as the outside. So we have that, and then we have our tracing, and we're going to do the same thing, just starting from the outside and with 2 strands of rope and following the outside line, and then just filling in. If your thread messes up like it did here, it's fine. Just keep going. You can just cut it and whatever. Just keep going until it fills in, and cut out the outside. Cut off the excess fabric. Now we take the top vamp piece that we just made and hand stitch it to the side wall, trying to get it as centered as possible. And that'd be all. On to painting with the Plastidip. So here we're just slopping on some Plastidip, extra thick or whatever, and sloppy. Just wait for it to dry. Away we go.